Today's topic focuses on the many costs of home renovations in San Diego. It's important to understand the ins and outs of the fees associated with home renovations in San Diego. Thanks for tuning in today. My name is Brian of Trusted House Buyers. In this video, we will tackle specific costs associated with home renovation in San Diego. Are you looking to renovate your home in San Diego? The task can seem a bit daunting because there can be so many details that add up quickly. Whether you are renovating a home or a majority of your home, there are many factors to consider that will help you determine the cost to renovate your space. One of the most significant variables in your renovation price tag is the size of your space. The cost can range from $10 to $60 a square foot on upwards to $150 a square foot if you choose really high-end materials and top-of-the-line appliances. Now let's get into some of the details. You can first begin by making a distinction if you are renovating a wet room or a dry room. Wet rooms are rooms with running water, things like kitchens, bathrooms, and utility rooms. These rooms definitely take up more of the renovation budget than the dry rooms. Dry rooms include living areas, bedrooms, that typically only require maybe paint and flooring. Let's focus on two of the most important areas of your home, the kitchens and the bathrooms. After all, these are the rooms that most home buyers are most interested in. When diving a bit deeper into a bathroom renovation, the pricing can vary considerably based on the type of cabinets, counters, and fixtures you choose. If you are changing the footprint of the bathroom, the price tag can increase significantly because this can require permits, maybe an architect, and possibly moving the plumbing. Cabinets, for example, can range anywhere from $500 on the lower range all the way up to $10,000 for a higher price budget. Now let's look at showers. These can range anywhere from $1,000 all the way up to $5,000 depending on the square footage, tile selection, and the fixtures. Now let's move on to the kitchens, the heart of the home and arguably the most important room in your home for resale value. A full kitchen remodel can range anywhere from $10,000 up to $65,000 and beyond. Those figures are a hard pill to swallow. And remodeling your kitchen, four main areas really impact your costs: cabinets, countertops, appliances, which can really send your budget soaring, and flooring. Let's take a little closer look at countertops, for example. The price can vary significantly based on the material used. Stone can range from $4,000 to $7,000, while laminate, a more economical option, can range from about $1,000 to $3,000. It is important to factor in not only the materials, but the labor it will cost for installation as well. This is often underestimated in a large portion of the actual costs. Now, when it comes to dry rooms, like your living room or your bedrooms, you can choose to do it yourself or spend the money on a higher end renovation. Bedrooms typically range from $2,000 to $7,000, while living rooms can run $10 to $60 a square foot. In both of these spaces, some people may choose to only change paint and fixtures, while others will want to change windows, add electrical, and change out the flooring. So as you can see, the range and budget of these house renovations can start off small and very quickly get out of control. One of the final and most important costs to note is if you will need to hire a contractor or if you will be doing the work on your own. Many homeowners feel that they have the skills and knowledge to attempt home renovation projects on their own, only to find themselves in sticky situations when they realize they need a contractor to help them complete and or fix the problems they started or made worse. Here's the bottom line. Renovating your home is not something to take lightly. Once you have gathered the ins and outs of the cost of home renovating, many homeowners simply choose to jump ship because the price is simply too overwhelming And also you have to live through the renovation, which is definitely not for the lighthearted. Unfortunately, a home renovation is nothing like the shows you see on television and can quickly get out of hand. If a home renovation is simply too expensive and too daunting of a task to take on, you might want to consider liquidating your home, no matter the condition, and finding one that is more turnkey with very little to no work to be done by you. That's where someone like Trusted House Buyers can help you. We can offer you a cash offer, take your home as is, and close on your terms. For information on how we can help you avoid the hassles and costs of a home renovation in San Diego, you can always call us at Trusted House Buyers by dialing 619-786-0973.